Hi, it's Gadget UK here again. Quick video, no intro or anything here. It's just a quick fix for the sound problem on these cars, actually, the XenoCrisis MVS and AES. The CD version's perfect, so if you're watching this video and you've got a CD version, you don't need to worry about it. Your version works perfectly with the sound. Bitmap Bureau, 10:30 at night. It's actually 11 o'clock before one of them got away. They were working on this. They've been working on this, all the time. So yeah, those guys are incredibly dedicated to, their products, the product range there, and trying to solve these issues to keep everybody happy. So yeah, 11 o'clock at night, they sent me the fix for this, and they've kindly allowed me to share this with everybody. Now, it's a temporary fix, this. If you've got a Unibios, and I would suggest that most people have got an MVS or an AES, probably got a Unibios. I'm sure there's going to be people out there who haven't got a Unibios. Well, there's a long-term fix coming, something that's more, not the temporary thing. This is a temporary thing. You apply it in Unibios, I'll show you. You save a byte somewhere in memory, or you update a byte, I think, somewhere, and then it enables the stereo sound, and then that's it. It works. Obviously, if you reset it, you'll have to do the same thing again, I think. So, sound is on the left at the moment. So, if we just hit the Unibios thing there, and we go into patch memory. And what you do is you change right to 1 by just going across with the direction, stick, and press A. That's 1. Go right, change that to 2. Go all the way right, change that to 5, go to patch, that's it, it's done, C to exit.
Commander Darius, we have a code red distress signal from Outpost 88.
We have no time to lose, Lieutenant. Dispatch a squad of our finest Marines. Buckle up, meatheads. Prepare for half a boost.
Approaching now, sir. I have a bad feeling about this.
XenoCrisis. Make your selection. Commencing operations. Your mission begins now. Room cleared. Room cleared. Room clear. Watch out. Laser. Room clear.
I'm out of here.
Rescue the humans. Rocket launcher. Room clear.
Thank you!
The humans.
Hey! Thank you!
Room cleared. Look at the size of that thing. Continue. Game over.
What an absolutely genius temporary fix there. So if you've got Unibios, yeah, you can listen to this in stereo now. So the long-term fix, I think, from what I understand, will be an update to the CPLD. Now, one of the things I suggested is you could use a Raspberry Pi. Loads of people have got Raspberry Pis, so lots of people would be able to do it themselves, probably, if they wanted to. It may just need, Bitmap Bureau to send them a serial number. You know, you could, I don't know, they might do that. So you could put a fresh one on yours. If you do get a fresh one, I'd be tempted to stick it somewhere else, actually. But yeah, that's just a suggestion, you know, the fact that you could use a Raspberry Pi to update the chip on there. You'd need to power it with 5 volts as well, but I'm pretty sure you could do that pretty easily with a few wires. And of course, you don't necessarily need to update your own cart if you're a bit worried, you haven't got the skills and things, and you haven't got Raspberry Pi. There'll be people to help you do it, either Bitmap Bureau themselves, or they will tell you where to send your cart if you wanted to permanently update it. But I'm very pleased with that now, because I can not only play this on my one I've said, but it sounds perfect as well, so I'm very, very happy. Thanks to those guys, that was a stroke of genius, that little fix. It's incredible, the dedication and the determination and everything. Brilliant customer service. Excellent. Thanks a lot, guys.